Thank you for tuning in once again. In this video, I'll be installing Parrot Security operating system in VMware Workstation. So just in case you don't have VMware downloaded or installed on your computer, you could just go to your browser and type in VMware Workstation, download, hit enter. So the first link here is the official link of VMware Workstation. You click on it, and I'll scroll down, and where I see the VMware Workstation 16 Pro, you can see VMware Workstation 16 Pro for Windows and for Linux. But I have a Windows operating system, so I'm going to download for Windows. I'll click on download now, and it's going to ask me where the path or the location of the file to be downloaded. By default, downloads is the downloads directory, but I'm going to leave it at there. So I'll just click on save and to begin download. But already I have it already downloaded on my system, so I'm going to cancel this. And next thing is next thing is for you to just run the setup file. Once it's downloaded, just click next, and to get installed. Just in case it prompts you for an evaluation key, you just go to your browser and type in VMware Workstation key and hit enter. So you see this link, free VMware Workstation Pro 16 license key. Just click on this link and you will see some evaluation keys on this GitHub account. So here on this GitHub website, so here you could see some evaluation keys that you could use, and the updated one also. So you just use this and it will probably license the software for you. So the next thing you want to do is to download the Parrot Security ISO file. And you just go to your browser and type in Parrot OS download, hit enter. And scroll down to see the official link of Parrot Security operating system, parrotsec.org. You click on this link, and yeah, so it brings up about 5 editions. It depends on your requirements, but I'm going with the security edition, so I'll click on this, and you could click download, and it will prompt me for the location of my file. For your case, it will just download directly to your downloads directory. And you click save and to begin download. But I've already have the ISO file downloaded already on my system. So the next thing I'm going to do is to install Parrot's operating system in VMware Workstation. So just open up VMware Workstation after installing it, and this is the environment you find. So you click on create new virtual machine. You click on next, and just in case for the first time this may not come up, so you just click on browse to browse the location of your ISO file. You could see by default it located it in the downloads directory. So I can click on the ISO file I want to run, which is Parrot Security OS, and click on open. But for me, it already detected that already, and you can see it's Debian 564 bits detected. So I'll just click on next, and I will name my Parrot. I'll change the name to Parrot OS. If you want, you can leave it by default 5.0. But it's best to change the name of the virtual machine. So I'll click. After doing that, if I also want to change the location of this, I'll click browse and change the location. If I have another partition drive, I'll select it. Has been taken. So I'll click next, and it's asking you, prompting you to give the maximum disk size. If you're going for the security edition, it's best to leave it at least 40 to 50 gig or GB of disk space. But let me just give it 80 gig. So yeah, after that, I will select my the store virtual disk. For best performance is best to select store virtual disk as a single file disk. So I'll just click on store virtual disk as a single file and click next. And from here, if I want, I can still customize the hardware. I could increase the size, the memory, which is the RAM. I could, let's say, take this to 4 gig. For best performance, I will go to processors and select 2 number of processors. And for core, I could give it 2 also. So I have a total of 4 cores. And that's pretty much it. And I'll click on add and finish. I'll click on finish and click on close and click on finish. Yeah, so we have Parrot now running. So wait. So after that, I will select my first try/install. I'll select this one and to install directly. So the first option. Yeah, so this is the desktop view of Parrot Security operating system, but we're not done yet. We'll have to install this properly. So I'll double click on the install Parrot icon here, and it's running. Yeah, so by default, I'll leave it at American English. Click next. You could customize it to your best taste. Click next. I'll click, select the keyboard language. I'll leave it at default. Click next and select erase this to properly erase any file but we've not used it already. So I'll click next and give it a name, user. You could give it any name of your choice. For this video, I'll leave it at user and a password. So I'll click next, click install. I'll click install now. Yeah, so it has begun installation properly. So this may take a while, but I'll have to pause the video here because this may take a while. Yeah, so we're almost there. Yeah, so it's finished installing. Installation stage has finished. So it's asking me restart now, and I'll click done. I can close this. Sorry. Yeah, my password, again, my password. So this is your Parrot operating system installed fully in VMware Workstation. So let's test internet browser, open up our browser, see if our internet is working. I think it should bring out the Parrot Security website, parrotsec.org. We should bring it. Yeah, so you can see our internet is working. These are applications, privacy tools, everything. So this is Parrot Security OS installed on VMware Workstation. So that does it for me. This video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you could help the YouTube algorithm by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, leave your comments below, and hit the notification bell for to get notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.